Welcome back to the second part of my van life trip to the Isle of Skye. So I think I got to Portree, and then I had a nice cup of coffee there, and then I headed up the coast to the Old Manor Store. Now it was a little bit windy, so I couldn't actually unfortunately get up right up to the top, and I couldn't really get my drone out up there, but I still got my drone out quite a bit on this video, so I hope you enjoy it. And this actually concludes my Skye van life series. So I had to actually come back a day earlier, unfortunately. So this video will just sort of involve me sort of going to the Old Manor Store. Then in fact, you might as well just watch it. There's no point in me telling you what happens. But it's a really good video, and I had a brilliant time on the Isle of Skye, and I highly recommend you go and check it out. And if you are looking to do this sort of van life thing, then yeah, definitely check out Alba Campers. Very, very good. You're going to see a little bit more of the man in this video, but they're very well reasonably priced. I had a look around other companies, and this is by far the best priced one, and you get a lot. So go and check them out. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be bringing you a lot of sort of wild camping videos. I've set myself a challenge of doing sort of one wild camp a month going through the winter. So I'm going to be doing sort of a long distance walk next spring, hopefully back in Scotland. So yeah, please subscribe, and yeah, look forward to seeing you soon in another video. Bye. Up and yeah, and settle in for the night. Hopefully have a stunning sunset over here somewhere. Really looking forward to it. Hope you are too. Hope you're enjoying the vid so far. So I'm all parked up for the night, and I've got an absolutely stunning backdrop, which I'll give you some more clips later. It's just been raining, but I'm just on the tops of the cliffs really, and there's just like over here on the other side in the far distance, there's just these stunning snow-capped mountains. You possibly can't see them, but I'll get some better shots of that. So that's my view tonight. It's been a good day. I really enjoyed it. Didn't quite get up to the top of the Old Manor store, but you know, visited Portree and had a nice little cup of tea there, and now I'm really properly sort of wild camping it tonight. This might actually be my first proper solo wild camp, solo van wild camp. But I've always done a wild camp with someone else in a group or whatever. So just going to enjoy this tonight, and then we'll crack on tomorrow. Hopefully I can get the drone up and give you some you know, some footage of what I'm looking at from an aerial point of view. It's quite windy, so you don't want to put the drone up in you know, in too strong of winds. So I look tired. Hopefully I get a bit better sleep tonight. So some incredible views of the Old Manor store with the sun setting, and then we're over here, we've got a band of rain just engulfing the water down there. I was trying to get a time lapse up, my tripod just fell over, so yeah, let me just give you a quick just show you the van really. So yeah, I've got everything I need. This basically, you collapse this down and then put the wood, put the plank just across there, then you put the cushions down, and that's the bed sorted out. Loads of room in there, obviously, for one. And then automatic drive, so it's been really easy to drive, sat nav and all the stuff for linking your phone up and charging and that. And then around the back, so around the back that opens up. I'm going to probably use this later. So you've got a sink and you just pump water. The water tank's down here, and you just, I've not used it yet. Then down here we've got the stove, cooking utensils, some chairs here and stuff, but I'm not going to be sitting out here. Let's give you some more shots, eh? This is the scene for tonight. It's pretty incredible, as I say. If you can see these snow-capped mountains over here, you know, it's like something like out of Narnia or Lord of the Rings. It's just open sea over that way. So just making a brew behind me using the camping gas stove to get it really cold. What we're looking at, snow-capped mountains over in the far distance. So just making a cup of tea, just using this camping gas stove. Seems pretty good. It comes with a mug. Bought some Yorkshire tea. I don't really drink tea. I've got I drink coffee, but I don't know, when I do something like this, I always fancy a cup of tea when I'm sort of out wild camping or doing something like this. So yeah, I'm just watching. I don't know if you can see much with the top of the back here, but yeah, I'm just sort of sitting here, just looking at the views and just enjoying it. And yeah, I highly recommend you come here and do this. It's brilliant, and the company that I've used, Alba Campers, this camper van, there's everything you need. It's very reasonably priced as well, and it's great. It's great. Loads of room in the back here. I'm 6'2", 6'2", something like that. 6'1", I think it's 6'1", and you know, loads of room for sleeping. So that's it, guys. Just gonna, I might put some dinner on later, possibly, and just watch the sunset. It's getting really cold, so I'll come back to you later. Thanks for watching. That's day 2 over, I guess. Or was it day 1? I don't know. I came up here yesterday, so we'll call it day 1. All right. Yeah, getting really cold. And that's it. That's you can see the views behind me. Beautiful. And just look forward to more of it tomorrow. And I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Alright, so I'm at the I'll leave you to pronounce the name of it. Leer Al oh, there's a walk you can do, but I'm not doing that. I've just really come to see the waterfall, which is down here. There's like a skyway bridge here which you can dive off if you're feeling up for it. I'm thinking about putting my drone off the top here. It's quite gloomy though, so I don't know how it's going to come out. Car's just parked up the top, van even up there. Let's have a look. Hopefully this bridge will hold me. Not great with heights, got to be said. Wow. Well, that's pretty impressive. Wow. Not bad. Now to sea. Flags in today on the tops. It's breaking up a bit.